in it. Now it should say कि I'm connected to that stream. Or do I? It is connected. Okay. अभी इसका is this? Let me check. Is this is a different day?
Must be this only.
Is
Share
it,
live stream.
is it not a? Is it not the same link?
No. TLUQ.
Yeah. This is different. So it
Yeah.
must be different. Every stream is a individual stream. Okay. I will share on this. This. Now my face is showing up at the corner without the background.
Oh, perfect. But you're too small.
Yeah, I can
You
increase.
you look like one of the people who are walking on the road.
How do I fix that? Why can't I?
Maybe try going to the advanced settings on OBS, where you're gone on the background removing thing.
No, you don't have to do that. You just have to do
Okay.
fix the cam. I think. I don't know why it's not happening. Usually this is how I. Acha, I have locked it. Obviously. I just place it where I intend to place in the image. Oh my god. So precariously everything is just. Yeah.
You should make. Can you make your window bigger?
What window?
That corner window on the bottom right.
Oh
That's
yeah, I can do that, right?
much bigger. Yeah.
I'm completely invisible. So dark. That's a this place. Can we change the background removal ka threshold value or something? No, we can't. It just needs a good green screen in the background,
Hmm.
which can kind of get it done properly. Uh, but right now let's just fix all of these scenes. So one is this one is only desktop. Google Meet Spotlight के लिए that was fine. Wait a minute. Spotlight के लिए where are we? Meet is over here. Where are all the people? Photo. So what happens if I ping? Okay, you are visible like this. What if I don't want to watch this? Don't watch. Still, it's huge. Why? ये सब मुझे live ही करना पड़ेगा, I think. And when it is live, I can do this.
Yeah.
But in
Well,
this, I think background should be visible over here. इसका filters, background removal. But if I remove my background over here, then it gets removed over there also. So I'll have to create a separate instance of background removal thing. So in my face, this is my face. In desktop and face, it is again this. So I'll have to remove this cam. Add what was it? Video capture device. Audio browser.
window cap.
Main window capture. I'll name it webcam. GoPro. Webcam. Make source visible. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Why is it not seeing my face right away? Acha, at one time you can. Ah,
What did you do previously? It was working okay.
I think you can't have multiple instances of the same thing running without with like one with blur, one without blur.
Oh, right.
It is for some reason stuck on this. It is like you know you can't use the webcam in different apps constantly. Like Google Meet pe you can use or you can use to record. Can't do both the things.
Mm-hmm.
Then in this case I will try to get that back. Can from here, just paste over here, paste to India. I can't copy. What the hell? Let me just try to undo everything. Okay, my webcam is here. इसमें border भी नहीं समझ में आता है. Is this the border? Yes, this is the border. Need a whole second desktop monitor just for live stream.
Yeah, like we'll have the three
Three monitors.
monitor thing.
Yeah, this
Descent
laptop
into
screen is too small.
madness.
I have one relatively large monitor, Purana wala. I can put that up, but not right now. I don't know how to. जगह नहीं है तो desktop पे, desk पे. Hmm, I think ये we'll have to figure it out in the evening only.
Hmm.
I don't know ये चार screen जब सामने आएगा then can you log in via like another
Another
account
account. Yeah.
simultaneously?
Let me. Yeah, I can. One second.
So we have like four screens. Screen layout,
Hold on.
tile, this thing. I remove you from pin. Am I? I'll have to stop sharing my screen right. Oh yeah, for that to work. Routine hai. This will be my face. This is okay. This will be desktop and face. This way you will see chat on the left hand side. इसका नाम भी change करते हैं. इसमें we don't need webcam. We don't need webcam visible at all actually. Right? In other mode, only in my face mode. Okay. So 4 is fixed now. Spotlight में this is 4. It will fix it for 4.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I've joined from my um. One second. There's so much of an echo. I've joined from my other account.
Yeah.
So how are you seeing the layout?
Now it is on live stream now. So this cell name.
Hmm.
Uh, Let me just create one more stream. This will be like four what tiles on Google Meet. This is my new sim का नाम. This will have mm, desktop video capture device copy 4 tiles needs to be placed. Okay, this is 4 tiles over here. I will also copy like Friday Night Live and Walking Side of Dono title. Let me rename this first. This is Walking Project. What? Okay. Okay. टाइटल ये हटाना पड़ेगा. Yes. Open project. copy, paste it over here, corner. Friday Night Live, I think background also you can change. Rename text. Should I just put yellow background? Please.
So some of the like the window on the live stream is getting like cut. As in walking project, I can't see the entire W of.
Yeah, now it is because you removed the fourth screen, na? Like fourth member, fourth account.
Mhm.
So it is again readjusting. So we will have to create different scenes. So now when I click on four scenes, so यहाँ पे चार हो गए, so it will look correct. Now
Hmm.
that it is three, uh, when we when we want this, then we'll kind of spotlight it. I think spotlight करके फिर I'll create one in the spotlight mode. I'll fix it like this. मतलब थोड़ा और crop करना पड़ेगा. Can't we? Oh, we can. नहीं, but is there no crop button?
I doubt. Um,
You just have to move it around. That is only crop button. So, okay. Okay. So this is the new thing. Friday Night Live text there. Why can't I see it in this? Acha, oh, sorry, I'm not.
no, it's
I
there
think
on top. Hmm.
after 2025-26 budget release. Acha, you are naming that thing. You can, I think, remove all of that stuff so that ये cut नहीं होगा इधर.
It's the meme thing, no?
हाँ, meme can stay. The text above the meme can go after budget वगैरह whatever. अभी right now what is happening is I think you are not able to see it, right?
Take second. Why is it just gone? Ah, maybe this is better.
Okay. Meme is fine. Spotlight mode में I will add this text. I'll also add Friday Night Live का text. Uh, Google Meet पहले निकालता हूँ. It's difficult to see it. Name this Spotlight mode. Google Meet. GM. Google Meet.
We also need to like I just saw it. So I'm saying like we need to add a description of the thing, the live stream also, right?
Yeah, yeah. The description I've added the generic one right now. We'll fix it.
Okay, I am not able to see it. Must be there.
Is it not there on what live stream are you checking? Tonight wala ki ye abhi what the one which is
What
live?
you shared right now?
No, no, that is for my personal handle. We are
Ah,
just testing it out right now. Na?
mm,
So this is what it will look like when you're on the spotlight mode. So whoever I'm trying to spotlight, uh, so now it is my face.
mm.
Now I can unpin myself and I can get you on spotlight. So whoever is on spotlights, it will be visible like this. Like Zora is speaking, I just spotlight her so she's
Mm.
visible for the time being.
Ah,
Or
nice.
this is in tiled mode, so I can just put spotlight like this on.
So you are planning to do it manually every time she speaks.
That's what I'm figuring out the logistics right now.
But there
I
must
think I
be.
can just go in the spotlight mode on Google Meet. So यहाँ पे मेरा manual दिमाग कम लगाना
That's what
पड़ेगा.
I was suggesting.
Yeah.
So,
So this is a better option of doing it. Yeah. Now it is in spotlight mode in Google Meet. So but यहाँ पे then if she is speaking, then she is visible. Then बीच में ऋषि का कुछ बज गया तो he will be or visible.
hmm.
Mute करने सबको बोलना पड़ेगा. This
Mm,
is there. This is ठीक है. Uh, Again, now do one thing. Now let's change the mode to tiled mode.
hmm.
Tiled mode में अभी I'll unpin you. Also join from that fourth account once again. So we are seeing 4 people. And keep it logged in. We are not using that device, right?
No.
हाँ, then keep it logged in बाजू में. वो बाकी सब turn off करके रख दो.
Oh,
Camera.
uh, एक second. I didn't know it. Sorry. You want me to rejoin, right? The
Yeah,
other
yeah.
from the. Yeah.
In all of these screens, we need a chat. So I'll just copy paste it. My face, chat should be visible. Four tiles में chat should be visible. Desktop नहीं. Desktop भी दिखना पड़ेगा. Spotlight में भी chat should be visible. Okay, so now in four tiles mode, this is visible. Four tiles mode, it is like this. Now it should be on the stream. Then I try to
Yeah, four
spotlight.
tiles mode is nice.
Huh?
The four tile mode is nice.
Huh. Now I switch to spotlight. Because now I'm speaking, it is showing walking project speaking.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, this will be problem then. Because I will have to speak because I'm moderating.
Yeah.
So in that case, I'll have to do the tile thing,
Mm-hmm.
like assign tiles, who is pinned and who is not pinned. Okay, I'll do that. Tile, I pin you. Now
What
what is visible?
about just was thinking? What about sidebar?
Sidebar again?
The sidebar layout, fourth one.
Sidebar, अरे हाँ. But let me check. Sidebar, change layout, sidebar. In this case, can I pin? I remove you. Then this is pin. I remove this. Then and I pin myself. I pin myself. I unpin myself. I pin you. Okay, this is much quicker. I'll rename इसका from four tiles to नहीं four tiles is connect. Spotlight को नाम change करना है. I'll name it this. What will I name it?
FNL.
No. What the mode? It's actually four tiles. Nine. What will be? I am confused because I'm thinking so many things at the same time.
Okay, let me. You need a name for the layout, right?
Ah, the same. I'll call
Just
it anyway. This
uh,
is what mode? This is a sidebar bar mode with W slash uh, pin with pin. Four tiles is four tiles. Four tiles will be just change layout. I go to tile and I unpin it. The चार tile दिखेगा. This is the mode. And whenever I'm doing all of these changes, it will have to. I will have to switch to my face, or I'll have to switch to some blank screen. This way, people are not seeing all of this background what I'm doing.
hmm, that's a lot of thing for you to do if you're even moderating and presenting.
Yeah, and I also have to like you have to speak something in the meantime when that is happening.
Hmm, that's
Or
what I'm
we
thinking. If I can like take over the logistics and you only speak,
But the problem is I have connected my
Yeah.
desktop now. In that case, I think what is better, you can ramble something. You can
Hmm.
take that bandwidth out of my head. Okay, I don't have to speak constantly. I'm doing
Hmm.
something.
Hmm.
You can command me to pull this up, pull that up
Okay.
while I'm doing my gym routine.
Yeah, fine.
So this is four tile mode. Now I go.
I
Now I
can't.
will show
Sorry, I
how
can't see anything. Okay.
you will be seeing my face, right?
No, I'm only seeing walking project talking now.
You are in the spotlight mode. That's why. Or you have pinned me. That is your Google Meet. Check our live stream on your phone
Sorry.
whenever you're connected.
Right, right.
It's so many parallel things to keep a hold of.
Ah, got it. Now I'm seeing you on the live.
Now you're seeing me.
Yeah.
Now I have introduced what we are doing and what this is about. Then I will move to. Uh, I'll try to fix all of this thing in a four-tile mode. All of you will be present over here in the evening. Then I switch to four-tile mode. And अभी four-tile में आ गए. Now you guys are speaking. I'm managing the stream. And there has come a time where Zora is maybe sharing something. So what I oh no, but in that case, हाँ ठीक है ये सब हो गया है बीच में. And then Zora said कि okay I will share my screen. That is when I go back to my face. So my face is visible over there. Then I move and change my layout to sidebar. Sidebar mode में गया.
Hmm.
Then let's assume you are Zora. I have gone in sidebar mode, and now Zora is visible. Zora is sharing whatever screen presentation जो भी है. Now it is live. She is sharing her stuff. ये यहाँ पे capture हो रहा है. Fine. But ठीक है वो हो गया. Then Zora का होने के बाद then we have to move back to my mm, presentation. So I have come back to my face. I've gone on my presentation. I have started sharing it. But now it is a bit distorted. So I'll have to create one more scene for just presentation mode. I'll change desktop का नाम to presentation itself. Presentation. Or I could just say full screen. Who is calling? Spam property. Uh, full screen presentation. Presentation mode on desktop. Okay, इस मोड में I just drag it upwardly and place it something like this. And in this mode, we don't need any of the walking project. We don't need walking project a title in this. We don't need walking project in here. Yes, I'm sure. This sidebar with pin mode, mein do we need it? Okay, now I will change to presentation mode. Now we are in the presentation mode. Uh, Presentation mode, mein we don't have my
Hmm.
face.
Yeah.
I need a face. But face में वही issue आ रहा था कि it is not blurred. And camera capture for some reason was not working properly. Window capture, video capture device, GoPro. We'll try it once again. Oh, it's one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not checking. I can. This is the worst camera, my laptop camera. GoPro webcam नहीं दिख रहा है उसमें. You can only see one scene.
Hmm.
What can be done in this case?
But पहले I could see you na in the bottom.
See, but with the square. I'll have to just copy that one. Can uh, can copy paste and written. Now you are able to see me in the live screen. But we don't want my face also, the presentation here, so I can just switch it off for the time being there. Because you will have all of this text which should not get overlapped. Anyway, one more hashtag one वगैरह सब overlap over.
Can you present the presentation so that we can? Ha.
Yeah, so this is the presentation. So over here I will discuss topics that we are discussing today. I still have to update all of this to include the Zora ka part which I added yesterday. And also मुद्दे की बात का अब couple of उत्कर्ष.
Hmm.
Then I went to Pune. Basically, I went to meet my friend of walking project Neeraj. He called me in his locality and we told there are a few good footpaths to check out in the city. And this is the footpath that I saw. The first one was in Paryar Chowk town. And this was done under a smart city project. And there are lots of findings that like lots of things that I noticed over there, which is very different from Mumbai. I do a rundown of this place. Then I talk about Jangli Maharaj Road uh, and all of the findings over there and some kind of observations. Like the footpath over here is stamped concrete, but it has lasted very well. Doesn't seem to have any of those issues with washing out or something. Then I talk about Pepsi Road, Ferguson College Road, which again is another great footpath. Then some key takeaways. So, from entire Pune visit, I saw that generally the footpaths are much wider. Over here, I think I can add my face, so then there is some kind of a connection to the people.
But I'm feeling like don't get into adding, removing while you're speaking. If just keep it, it's okay if the text is thoda sa.
But then won't it become a bit too presentation?
Mm,
People might tune off. I don't know. I'm a bit uh, uh, worried about people tuning. I mean, पहले live stream पे एक भी आदमी like if they stay for the entire stream, that is a win. Uh,
hmm.
yeah, I think I can. I will just let it be like that, and we'll keep the presentation running. There were absolutely no guardrails in entire city of Pune. I did not find one guardrail in the city. We did not find a single enclosed traffic island. Traffic island were actually refuge areas where people could stand at while trying to cross. Parking was well designated at all of the major roads that they have redone. Footpaths throughout the city are ubiquitously good. I mean, obviously, it's not like all localities have footpaths and all of them are good, but wherever I did find footpaths, they were of decent quality, especially compared to Mumbai. Mumbai, it is very lackluster and continuity is a horrible problem. And Pune also does not have a blanket stamped concrete policy like Mumbai has recently moved to, where each and every new footpath they're building is a stamped concrete one to reduce the logistics of I don't know reduce the logistics and logistics of having to lay out all of those paver blocks. Then we were at IA Thane, which is Indian Wo- Association of Architects. Over here, I think you can speak, so I'll let Aishwarya speak over here. And can we? No, but it won't capture your face. This is capturing whatever is on this device right now.
Hmm.
So over here, you can just speak about it.
Sorry.
You can over here you can speak about that event, like how was your experience? You were nervous or whatever. I mean, it's a casual live stream. We want it to be as casual as possible.
Yeah. So okay. You want me to speak right now? Like we're doing a.
You can rehearsal.
We went to II Thane and it was a very quick and short presentation on walkability and MMR and what walking project does. It was a great experience and a good opportunity to meet many people. We met Brinda Somaya and Landani Sampath. very interesting conversations, and a lot of people showed interest in the issue. So it was a, yeah, good experience overall, and like we would love to sort of go and uh, go to more institutes and talk about walkability and MMR.
Uh, uh, Let them know about what IAA is, Indian Association of Architects. No?
Okay, so
Like at the start,
हाँ
whenever I get you to speak,
ठीक है.
then some things that नहीं यहाँ पे I think I'll have to update a presentation and I'll add like meetings which happened at K West and Worli Hub.
Mm.
So some of these newer guardrails are costing this much money. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, I think this will come before and that will come after.
Hmm.
Meeting at K West, meeting at Worli Hub. Then we talk to Lodha Park. This has to be updated also. Since ये बनाया था presentation तब से भी बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. Both community walk and talk have been done.
Hmm.
Then we talk about SV Road, our partnership with Project Mumbai and what we did on that day. 4 walks across all localities. Uh, then we show this footage from our student walk on 11th of Jan with the NMIMS Holistic School of Architecture by the Kuta Junction and the entire SV Road over there. It was a great experience to see so many people actually get interested in walkability. Yes, over here I think I will mute myself. Can I not add like a filter on this and
Filter on what?
ये filter in the background removal है. Okay, was transition. So now that it is updated over, okay, it updates over here as well. Like you can't create instances. I don't know why. Such a dumb thing. Then after this video, it ends. So all that is left right now is just this presentation updation. This I can remove, or should I? I think I can remove the scene completely. So I have my face ka scene. I have 4 tiles on Google Meet. I have sidebar mode with pin. Then there is a presentation mode which just shows the entire screen. ठीक है. I think is there any other scene that I'm forgetting which needs to be fixed?
Hmm.
What could we require? Spotlight तो एक हो गया, sidebar and pin हो गया है. So anyone is speaking, I can just spotlight them.
Yeah.
Presentation mode is the same thing which will work with any video clip that I want to show. I'll also shortlist a few video clips in case I need it.
Hmm.
We'll make another like we make a creative which I can just loading के लिए at the start.
Okay.
That it is just Friday night live and beach में there is a large stream starting or something like that with a dot 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 and one creative just for like essay blank Friday night live. वो तो we can just put up this presentation का
Hmm.
package.
Yeah.
I'll print that. Copy to laptop. I have to create a folder for Friday night live on desktop. New folder Friday night. This is interesting. Like live streaming, I like the concept of it a lot. Like you
How
can just talk off the cuff.
how come? I mean, like, what do you like about it?
I mean, you get to speak, you constantly get to interact with everyone, and then
Hmm.
like कुछ भी problem होगा, like I mean, anyone has some opinion, it gets solved immediately on that live stream. You get to
True.
discuss about it. Unlike like Twitter or something, it's a tiring medium to actually follow up, and it's too much work.
Mm.
Banner, banner. I have added that. I'll create one more screen. This I'll call transition banner. Transition banner could actually be like a nice kitten or a puppy.
Oh, yes.
So it is something nice to look at while we are. Doesn't have to be that. We'll put one kitten on the left hand side and one puppy on the right hand side.
Yeah, perfect.
We get both the dog people and cat people. Wait, I'll just make it on camera right away. We need a 16 by 9. Create
So,
design.
just one more thing. Like after the streaming thing is sorted out, can we just
हाँ,
discuss the brochure also? Like,
या वो भी बाकी है.
mm,
9. Why can't I type in this? अच्छा, numlock होगा open. Okay, yeah. 19, 20, 10, 80. Create design. Kitten. I hope there is some creative comments in the pictures which won't get me banned. Or I could use pictures that I've clicked, but I would much rather get something.
I can send you Pixie or Chili
You
photo.
could send me the creative itself. I mean,
Ah, okay.
just a 1920 1080 and left hand side में dog or puppy, right hand side में cat kitten
Ah, okay. Cool.
with a decent like Friday Night Live. Hi, I like you. Something. This is just a transition slide so that I can put it up while background I fix all of this.
Ah, okay. Cool. I'll send you.
ठीक है. Okay, that is done. I'll just transition banner is done. I'll create one more loading banner. Loading banner placeholder for now. This I'll add that picture later on. So I think it is fixed. ये तो हो गया. What time do you usually have lunch at?
I mean, depends on like it, usually I don't have a set time. But like between 1:30 to 2.
अच्छा.
You?
Same time. That's why I asked. I think we can then just jump off the call right now, have lunch, and then come back for this brochure का thing.
हाँ, fine.
Yeah.
ठीक है, cool.
Okay. I'll stop streaming. Stop streaming के time पे also we can get that cat banner